Did the president of Argentina, Javier Milei, just single-handedly kill the meme market? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are on this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel. For the newcomers, my name is Didi. In today's video, wearing proudly my beautiful Borussia ByBit t-shirt. Sadly, they are 11th at the moment in the Bundesliga, but you know, 11 is my lucky number. But in today's video, of course, talking about Javier Milei and his meme coin, of course, deep diving into the Bitcoin charts to show you how we closed the week, how we opened the week, and what I expect for the whole week. And yes, an inspirational quote at the end, short but powerful on this beautiful Monday morning here in Phuket. Bam! Why am I wearing this shirt? Because I just came back from my training. I started personal coaching sessions, so they are training me 3 times a week, food schedule, etc. And I'm still wearing proudly my training t-shirt, ByBit, guys. If you want to sign up to ByBit, use the link down below because ByBit has a beautiful offer at the moment, up to $30,000 deposit bonus and some other cool bonuses just by using my link down below. You need to use my link to get the extra stuff. Use the link, sign up today, guys, and then you can also start using your ByBit debit card to spend your crypto all over the world. Amazing exchange. If you want to sign up to another one, non-KYC, take Blovin, and if you want a decentralized exchange, take Apex Omni. The 3 links are the first links down below this video. Click them and sign up, guys. Now, let's dive into the news. The news for today, Javier Milei, one of the presidents I really looked up to because he was the first Argentina president that said, let's grab this country by the balls and let's fuck all the politicians and let's get rid of all the excess monetary spendings on the politicians and let's make Argentina a big, great country again, one that Diego Armando Maradona will still be proud on. Like, he single-handedly killed the meme market. Of course, he's still doing amazing for Argentina and also for Bitcoin in Argentina, the adoption, but by just tweeting about a meme token, I think it was called Libra, that he was saying like, yeah, this is a cool meme token. He wiped out $4.5 billion in crypto in a day, guys. So the meme token pumped, it dumped, 4.4 billion lost. The scammers took 28 or 30 million in profits. He was laughing with the scammer on the picture because he didn't know that he was a scammer. Of course, he didn't even know the whole project. He didn't do a deep dive in the project. He just said, yes, there's a cool meme coin. Trump did a meme coin. I will support a meme coin. Let's see what it brings for Argentina. It didn't bring shit. The meme coin was supposed to bring economical growth to the new entrepreneurs that want to start a business. That was the white paper. The website of this meme coin was launched 3 hours before the token was created. The website was launched 3 hours before it was created. It was like everyone that would have taken 5 minutes to deep dive into the team, to deep dive into the details of this meme coin would have understood pump and dump. It is a pump and dump. But Javier Milei didn't take the time. So that is now a big stain on his presidency in Argentina. But okay, he will solve it again and he will make Argentina better. And yes, I think he will continue to support Bitcoin and now understand meme coins, different game, guys. And that is also my lesson to you guys today. All those meme coins, please understand, if they don't have a use case, if there is nothing else that they bring instead of just being a meme, it's a risky play. Yes, you can turn 1K into 100K, a 100x, but yes, you can also turn 1K into zero. It's a very risky play. Just play these meme coins with the money you can afford to lose. Not with the money you really need to live life. Just $50, $100, $1,000, whatever it is you can afford to lose, gamble on the meme tokens. The rest, guys, you should be putting in this one. Bitcoin. Buy Bitcoin. This is the king. This is the one that will bring slow growth into your wealth, into your capital, but at least it's a very safe play, guys. Please understand the difference between Bitcoin, the tool that you can use to protect your capital against inflation, the tool that you can use as the digital gold of the 21st century, the tool that you can use to spend all over the world, the tool that you can use to grow your capital slowly. Every 4-year cycle, you will have a bigger purchasing power because you keep your capital in Bitcoin. All the meme coins is just short-term gambling. Just compare it to the normal life, you know, where you go to a casino to have some fun. Let's play a little bit, let's gamble a little bit. That's the meme tokens. Or in your normal life where you have a savings account on your bank, for example, 1% a year, which is of course not comparable to Bitcoin with 40% a year, but at least that's how you should compare to the normal life. Meme coin, fun, casino, the rest, save your capital, pension fund, whatever you call it, in Bitcoin, guys. Now let's jump into the charts to show you exactly what happened to Bitcoin last week and what do I expect for Bitcoin this week. And yes, buy them on Bybit. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, 4-hour chart, like you used. You see, I drew this green line. I expected that move. I still expect that move, but maybe it will take a little bit longer. So there will be a moment that we will break out somewhere and then we will go and test this area of 100K again, guys. And then from that moment, we will move up to 106.7K again. That's a move I'm expecting. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but what we can see at the moment is something very clear. We can see that this Bollinger Band, the two blue lines, is tightening up. It's really, really tight in this area. It's like very close to each other. And mostly when that happens, that is the moment when we break out. Let's go back a little bit. Look here, you know, it's very tight. Bam, we break out. Every time, sometimes also to the downward, but when we get this tight with the Bollinger Band, there is a massive move. And especially if we stay tight a very long time. So this, for me, from here, when it became tighter, the 6th of February, I mean, till the 17th, that's already almost now 2 weeks of a very tight Bollinger Band. There will be a massive breakout. I believe this green line at 94K is the support, so I believe that breakout will be to the top, guys. So that's a beautiful moment to wait and open a position and take a trade with a low leverage, because in my opinion, we're not going to fall down. We're going to go and move up again, guys. And that's also what we see on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we can see we're keeping support that green line like I thought. I extended that green line last time. I said, I mean, we'll probably continue like this. The red candle stayed above it. The new candle just opened. The previous candle was a like indecisive candle. I didn't know whether I want to go up or down. The wicks are equally long to the top and to the bottom. The body is tiny. Now we have a green candle open, but that's going to close in 6 days. So let's see what will happen, guys. Let's see what will happen. This is a beautiful pattern, sideways pattern. And from a sideways pattern, there's always a breakout. In my opinion, what I just told you, the breakout will be to the top. Maybe a little bit more sideways before we break out towards the end of February, but the charts don't look bearish to me. They look beautifully, building a lot of support in this 90 to 100K area, which is beautiful for the next bear market. That will also again act as a support. Now, I have 3 more amazing charts for you. Amazing charts. Let's jump into the first one. Bam, over here. This one is a chart that shows you the power law and the 5 years ahead of support. Now, the 5 years ahead of support, I found this chart, by the way, on, let me see, Bitcoin Good, Fiat Bad. I don't know which website it was. I found it on the website. Really cool website where you can have a lot of charts. If somebody knows the website, just comment it down below. Sorry, I didn't do a shout out. But the thing that I drew on this chart is this area. This is the area of September. September 2025, of course. Now, in this area, these are the values. In September, these are the values. The 5-year support will be at 273, the yellow at 207, the 3-year at 150, 113, 80, and 58. You can see them. Now, my target, as you know, is that 3-year support, that green line. That green line would be this target over there. I am always a very cautious trader. I just do dollar cost average out near the top and also dollar cost average in near the bottom. So for me, this green line would be amazing. If we would an extended bull market to the yellow line, that could mean the Bitcoin price goes all the way to 200K in September. If we would touch that red line, we could even go to 300K almost. 2017, we touched the red line. 2014, we touched the yellow line. 2021, we touched the red and the yellow line. Now, let's see. The yellow is 200K. That green is 150K. I am very happy September being in this area between the yellow and the green would be very beautiful for me. And I think that's a very beautiful target for this bull market, because then it looks again that we go up exponentially till there. And then again, we get a bear market into 2026, end of it, beginning 2027, before we climb up again to this new bull market top somewhere in 2029, guys. Beautiful chart, beautiful chart. Now I have another beautiful chart. This chart, guys, is the power law fractal cloud. And as you look at the dates at the moment, please look at these dates. This there is 2025 all the way till there, still September, October, November, December 2025 is over there. The top is December 2025. Then we go down again, because this one is 5 years ahead as well, guys. So you can see the 5-year support, the 4-year, the 3-year, the 2-year, 1-year support over there. So we're looking a little bit more in the future when it comes to this cloud, guys. Now, we are at this level. This blue line over here, that's a fractal mean. That's the average of the last couple of years, how we moved in the last couple of years. And that blue line, look, is stopping in December. Because always, last quarter, Q4, is the top of the bull market. 17 months after the halving would bring us to September. So this box over there is the target for the bull market top, in my opinion. We are now here at this line. If we move up another line over there, we are way above 100K, we're at 150K. Here, this line is at 200K target. That line on top over there is the 300K target. So somewhere in this area, we will end up with this red line. The red line is the price at the moment. So the minimum would be the bottom part. Now, that's not gonna happen. The maximum would be the dark top part. Here, 300K could be happening. The top over there, 200K, 150K to 200K could be happening. In average, which should be around that 200K. So this red line is going to develop all the way into this box over there, guys. Pause the video to analyze it a little bit more, guys. If we look here to the end of 2027, then these lines are higher and higher and higher. Then even the 1-year support will be 144,000. So that would be this area over there, the bottom line, 144K. At that moment, guys. But let's see where we will bring it, this bull market, before we look into the bear market and the next bull market top, guys. Now, then we have one more amazing chart, and it's this one, also showing you exactly where we headed with the previous bull markets. The blue line is 2019 to 2023, the green line 2015 to 2019, the yellow line 2010 to 2015, the red line is the current bull market, guys. Now look where we are. We are at this level over there. We should easily be reaching this area for the top, in my opinion. And that easily would be between 150K and 250K. That is what my target is there. In this box is the target for the red line. So this red line that we can see now, let me see if I can draw a red line as well. This red line over there should be extending upwards, coming down, upwards, you know, going there to these levels, upwards, going up, and then in September-ish somewhere, we should be easily heading this area, there. From there again, guys, we can see a new bear market coming down, towards these levels over there, 60K-ish, whatever it is, and then move up again, sideways, and so. That is what I believe that we can do, at least with that red line, guys. So let us see how that will happen at the moment, but for me, that's a single blow of top. If we do the double top, we will be going in this line area in April, and then come down, and then go up in November again. Also possible, that's a double top. But for me, I'm guessing we will see a single blow of top, guys. That were the charts for today. I hope you really enjoyed those charts, guys. Yes, amazing charts again, zooming out, looking at that bigger picture. My target for Bitcoin still between 120 and 160. September is my target to see a bull market top. Could it be also October, November, December? Yes, it could be. Because normally, if you look traditionally, the top of the bull market happens in Q4. So October, November, December. That's where we normally see a top. Only 2021 we had a double top, so that's 2 times the top. One in April, one there in November, so that was a double top, but that was different than the normal bull market. 2017 it was December, 2014 it was in December as well, guys. So December is normally the bull market top month, but for me at the moment, 17 months after the halving would put the top in September, end of September, beginning of October. So that is my target still for the top. Will I be cashing out more early? Yes. If we go way high in May, like for example to 120, 30K around May, May, you go away because the summer starts, and that is when the market becomes very boring, mostly also first a dip before we get boring, because people cash out before the summer, you know, they want to pay for their summer holiday, they want to pay for extra cars, cabriolets, whatever bikes they want to dream of, motorbikes, they want to buy all that stuff for the summer to enjoy summer, camper vans, so they cash out in May, they go away from the market, the price will dip, go sideways all the way till end August, and then it will go and climb up again. So for me, that's the same play. If we are above 120K around May, I will exit a huge part of the market till I go into that market again around September. A fly kicking me. It's not Mr. Miyagi, it was a fly. I have it there. That's gone. Now guys, so that were the charts. Zoom out, look at the bigger picture, and enjoy life to the fullest. I did enjoy life to the fullest last weekend again. That's why I didn't do an AMA. I went with my wife to a beautiful island, Ko Yai Yai. It's called something like that. Anatara Hotel. I had Valentine's weekend, of course. Beautiful dinner on the beach, all the kinds of stuff. You will see in the reels, of course. It was an amazing 2-day rest again, and now back on track. Now let's quickly jump into the inspirational quote. Bam. The inspirational quote today has a little bit to do with my life, because I had my ups and downs since 2013 all the way now to 2024. I was in this industry, of course, with my ups and downs, but I learned a very valuable lesson from those like 11 years now almost. And that is that success is never final. Failure is never fatal. It's the courage to continue that always counts again, guys. It's not the success that's not final. You can keep reaching for new success. You can keep creating new successes. It's not the failure, because that's never fatal. You can always bounce back. There is never a failure, because you can always grab yourself up, stand up, and bounce back. It's the courage to keep going on, to keep continuing, no matter how deep you fall. The courage to crawl out of the depth and to continue to do what you believe in. That is what counts. Of course, just imagine, we were in 2013 mining Bitcoin at $80 per Bitcoin. In 2017, we climbed to 20K. We thought we were the richest people of the world. And then we fell back in the bear market crash all the way till 3K. People were shouting, we will fall to $1,000. I said, no, 3K is the bottom. But at that moment, the emotions were going all the way. They were like, you should give up on Bitcoin. This is going to destroy you. Get out fully. Go do something else. All of that. But the courage and the belief in Bitcoin that gave me the courage, no, I will stay in. It will go up again. It will go to 50K. I went onto the television show in the Netherlands and I said, meh, it doesn't matter. Buy Bitcoin. We will go to 50K in the next 2-3 years. 2021, 50K at least. The television people started laughing, the newspaper people started laughing, all my friends and family started laughing. They all said Didi has lost his mind. And I kept believing, and I had the courage to stay in Bitcoin and to buy even more. I flew to the Netherlands, sold all the last things that we still had in the garage sale, and I bought more Bitcoin and more Bitcoin. Everybody thought I was crazy. And then bam, 2021 came, we went above 50K, we went to 60K, almost even 70K. It's always the courage to continue that will be driving your success. It's not how big the failure is, that's just how big you need to bounce. You can keep creating new successes literally every day. Whatever choice you make today will lead into complete new adventures, experiences the days after. And that could also lead to new successes. And sometimes you take a wrong turn, but at the end of that road, you can turn the other side again. You can always choose to change back to a new situation or to change back to the old situation. There is never an end. Successes are not final. Failures are not fatal. It's the courage to go on and keep doing what you believe in that counts. That is the inspirational quote for today, guys. Grab life by the balls or the bull by the horns, whatever you call it. Gather your courage and do what you believe in every single day. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. What do you think about the news? Javier, Milei? What do you think about the charts? Are we going up or down? What do you think about the last inspirational quote? What do you think is the most important part? The success, the failure, or the courage to stand up every time again and again? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. And again, go and sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange over there, also supporting Borussia Dortmund, also supporting, of course, Red Bull, Max. Yes, I agree, Bybit is one of the best exchanges out there. Use the 3 links down below. Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing Monday, an amazing week. See you tomorrow again. Bam.